Guys, I made it out to the train yard. 57, 56, and then the former CSX engines. That's so cool. There's another engine kind of hiding behind these two, but can't really see it. Yeah, that's 32. And then there's the other three I see a lot. And then there's one back there. That's okay. Anyway, there you go, guys. Made it back out to the train yard. That's so cool. Get one last look at everyone. Hope the lighting's good enough. So who knows? One of you guys might see these guys go by. That'd be really cool. Oh, there's number 42 back between those guys. So cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That's cool. I haven't seen that one before. And then 71's right behind that building, but Santa Fe. And we found some hiding back here. Way down that area. We can't, there's no road, so we can't really get to them.